Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the surface so the product can bond. Scrub grease, sand glossy spots, and wipe with a tack cloth. Once done, mask trim and lay drop cloths to protect floors. Make a small test patch with the paint-in primer because you want to confirm adhesion and coverage before committing. This quick test saves hours. If it beads or flakes, stop and choose a dedicated primer. Otherwise, proceed to mix and application steps with confidence. You need to mix the can thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping sides and bottoms so pigment and binder are uniform. Do not shake, which creates bubbles. Start by cutting in edges with a good angled brush, then roll using a 3/8 to 1/2 nap for smooth walls, work in sections, and keep a wet edge to prevent lap lines. Once the first thin coat is dry to the touch, assess coverage. A second thin coat is better than one thick coat for durability and looks. You finish by following the label for dry time, typically 2 to 4 hours between coats, but allow longer in high humidity. That ensures proper film formation. Clean tools immediately, water-based with soap, oil-based with the recommended solvent, and seal the can airtight to preserve the remainder. If you see poor adhesion or flaking after drying, pause. Sand the failed area to solid substrate, remove loose material, apply an appropriate primer, and then recoat with your paint-in primer for a lasting fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.